Hi, this is Dylan Vaughn from Ordinary Experts. I'm here to talk to you about our Pixelfed AWS Marketplace product. Pixelfed is an open source photo sharing application which lets you share photos via the federation. Its latest release is 0.11.8, which is the version that our product is deploying. This is our product page. So the Marketplace product is a custom CloudFormation template plus AMI. Take a look at this page to show some of our features plus the architecture diagram. But what I'd like to do today is really deploy the stack and just give you a walkthrough of what it looks like to actually run this in your account. When you subscribe to our product, it'll be delivered via a CloudFormation template. Here I'm going to pick the template and custom AMI. And I'll go ahead and fill in these stack details here. So stack name can be whatever you like. I'll just say Pixelfed test. And then you can pick the name of your Pixelfed site. And we're going to need a certificate for SSL. So I'll just go to Certificate Manager here, and I have a certificate already issued. And we can just take the ARN of the certificate, which is for this domain here, patterns.ordinaryexperts.com, and I'll just paste that in here. It's got a wildcard on it too, so any subdomain will work. And then in this case, I'm just going to open this to the entire internet for 0000, but you can lock that down to a tighter internet seeder. I'll put in the patterns.ordinaryexpert.com as my Route 53 hosted zone, and then I can pick my host name, and in this case, I'll just use pixelfed.patterns.ordinaryexperts.com. I think that's all I need to set up on this page here. I can leave the rest of the defaults as is, but be sure to take a look at all of these parameters to see if you may want to change them. So now I'm just going to go through the rest of the standard CloudFormation deployment screens. It's going to let me review my parameters and the other options I set, which I didn't set any in this case, and just hit submit. All right, so we're starting to provision our Pixelfed stack. I sped this process up to zoom through the provisioning process, but it's going to create all of the resources like our load balancers and Redis clusters and database instances. It's also going to set up SES and some domains to do validation of our SES domain. Here we see that the DKIM setup succeeded for our patterns.ordinaryexperts.com domain. If you before you actually go into production, you take your SES account out of SES sandbox mode. So take a look at that. But for now, we've already validated our domains. So now the ASG is getting provisioned, and now our stack has been complete. Takes about 20 minutes normally, but I sped it up for this demo. So now we can go to our outputs, and there's a first use instructions output that says that we can go to the URL above here and create a user, and then once we create that user, we can log into the instance via SSM Sessions Manager and actually promote that user to an admin. So here we are on our new Pixelfed site. I'll go ahead and register a new account. This is going to be eventually our admin account. So I'll just go ahead and put in my information here. Okay. And it's going to ask me to send a confirmation email. Go ahead and send that. So this is going to be sending it via SES, which is automatically configured as part of the product deployment. So I'll go ahead and grab this URL. I'm not going to click on it because I'm just going to paste it in here and go to this URL and validate my account. So here's the Pixelfed homepage. And we are going to go ahead and just create a new post to test the functionality. So, okay, here we go. We'll grab our test image here. And you can put a lot of metadata in, but we won't do that for this particular demo. Here's our graphic. Looks good. I like it. You can make a comment. Perfect. Okay, now let's go ahead and promote that user to an admin. So I'll need to log in to this instance via SSM Sessions Manager. Here's our instance. I can just right click and say connect, and then connect here. Then I am into the instance, and then I will become root. Make this a little bigger. And then I'll just grab that command that was in the output there, which is just changing into the Pixelfed directory and then running a couple artisan commands. Okay, so I'm just going to change the username to my username, which is Dylan. And then here we go. So yes, we want to add this admin privileges, and then it's going to clear the cache. All right. And then if I refresh this page, I'm already logged in. I see now we have the admin dashboard. It's going to ask me for my password again, which I can fill in. And then I see the Pixelfed admin dashboard. So yeah, there you go. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little walkthrough, and please take a look at our product on the AWS Marketplace and let us know what you think. Thank you very much.